Hello everybody, Jeff Olson here with Danfoss Drives. Today's video is going to focus on our pipe fill feature that can be found in our VLT AQUA drive.
Please take a moment now to pause the video to read the safety warnings shown here. Failure to follow these warnings could result in death or serious injury.
This feature can be used to fill a horizontal and/or vertical pipe. It's extremely easy to set this feature up, and once it is implemented, it can certainly help you save time and money by avoiding unnecessary damage to mechanical equipment. I'm going to show you how to set this feature up, and then we'll finish up the video here with a demonstration using our pump demo. I have this acrylic pipe here that we can actually see the water level rising in, so we can see how that function actually works. Let's take a look at how to set it up now. Alright, so we'll get started by entering main menu group 29, water applications. From there we'll go to the subgroup 29-0 pipe fill. Here's where we'll find all the parameters associated with this feature. We're going to talk about both horizontal and vertical pipe fill modes. First of all, for either of those to work, we have to enable this feature here. So I'm going to enable pipe fill. We'll move down to the next parameter, 2902, pipe fill speed. This parameter is associated with the horizontal pipe fill feature. The horizontal pipe fill feature is a simple function where when the drive receives a start command, it'll run at the defined speed in parameter 29-02 for the amount of time defined in parameter 2903. So this is a simple time-based fill, and you get these values through experimentation. At a certain speed for a certain amount of time, the pipe is full, and then it'll ramp up and resume normal operation. We're not going to display the horizontal pipe fill here, so it's not going to work because I have 0 seconds here. This is essentially disabling it. The reason we have 15 Hertz here is because I have a motor low speed limit in this drive programmed to 15 Hertz. So this parameter will only allow you to enter a value equal to or above the motor low speed limit. So that's the horizontal pipe fill. And now we move on to the vertical pipe fill parameters. 29-04 pipe fill rate is the rate at which the pipe will fill in units per second. I've entered a relatively slow rate here of 0.02 psi per second, which equates to about 2.75 feet per minute. The pipe will fill at that rate until we reach the set point programmed in parameter 29-05, filled set point. So once I hit that 3.3 psi, then the drive will ramp up and resume normal operation. We have a no-flow disable timer here in parameter 2906 that I can set, so we'll ignore a no-flow condition until the pipe is full. I don't have no-flow enabled, so I don't need to set this timer. And the final parameter here is a filled set point delay. This is the amount of time that you must be at or above the filled pipe set point prior to ramping up and going into normal operation. I should point out, for the pipe fill to work, you must first have the drive set up in process closed loop control with transducer feedback. Obviously, without that, we can't read the actual system pressure. If you're unfamiliar on how to set that up, you can refer to my YouTube video on that subject. Alright, so let's take a look at this working. I'm going to go ahead and give the drive a start command. You see here that we are ramping up to my minimum motor speed. The level in the pipe is just starting to increase, and the drive speed will increase with the head so that we can maintain that 0.02 psi per second rate until we reach the filled set point of 3.3 psi. So as the pipe is filling, notice the actual pressure, and again we're going for 3.3 psi here, which is right at the top of my pipe. Drive speed still increasing with the head. We're getting closer to my filled set point. The pipe is nearly full at this point. And we're going to see the drive go into a ramp stage after the pipe hits the 3.3 psi. So there we have it. Hopefully this video was informative for you, and thanks for watching.
Thank you for viewing. We hope this information has been helpful. Danfoss drives can provide additional technical support, parts information, or repair services options by contacting us through one of the following methods. For immediate access to customer service or a technical support expert in North America, call 1-888-DANFOSS or 1-888-326-3677 or contact us through email. For technical support, the email address is drives.ts.na@danfoss.com. For customer service, the email address is drives.cs.na@danfoss.com. For after-sales service, the email address is drives.ts.service.na@danfoss.com. Additional information is also available on our website at www.danfossdrives.com. For contact information in areas outside of North America, please visit our global website at www.danfoss.com. Thanks again.